Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, I will show you beautiful garden decor ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is reverse. First, colorful pots are a great way to add beauty. You can paint at the pot in bright color or soft nature shades. Place them near the entrance along the garden path or around your favorite plant that brings life and color to every corner. Now think about garden stones. Smooth stones can be paint with flower, butterfly or simple patterns. This handmade decoration are fun to create and give your garden a unique touch. And friends, my next idea is reverse. Friends, wooden decoration are another wonderful idea. Small wooden sink with the kind word like welcome or home make the garden feel friendly. Wooden birdhouse and small bench also add a natural look. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos updates. Viewers, spend Allah, see you in the next video. Take care and